Did you know that one woman's revenge almost destroyed the entire Roman Empire in Britain? In 60 CE, Queen Boudica watched Roman soldiers flog her bloody and rape her daughters after her husband died. This wasn't just cruelty, it was Rome's biggest mistake. Boudica gathered 100,000 Celtic warriors, planning coordinated attacks across Roman Britain. Her first target, Camulodunum. The Romans fled to their temple, but Boudica's forces burned it down with everyone inside. Then came Londinium. 70,000 Romans and British collaborators were tortured and killed. Archaeological evidence still shows the horror. Mass graves and burned layers of ash that archaeologists find today. Her warriors impaled prisoners, hanged them, and burned them alive. The rebellion was so devastating that Rome nearly abandoned Britain entirely. It took massive Roman reinforcements to finally stop her. But Boudica proved that even the mighty Roman Empire could bleed. One woman's rage had brought Rome to its knees.